What's up, food soulmates? Today you will learn how to make the popular Dalgona coffee. Inspired by the Ppopgi candy of Korean street food, this has become a popular drink taking the internet by storm. For the original Dalgona coffee, you will need 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of hot water. Whisk the ingredients together on high speed until thick in desired consistency. The whipping may be done with a manual whisk, hand mixer or stand mixer. For a manual whisk, this may take approximately 8 to 10 minutes, whereas the automated mixers may take 2 to 5 minutes. In a glass, place a couple of ice cubes and pour in cold milk. Place the thick mixture on top of the milk with a spoon or ice cream scoop. Stir as desired. For the Matcha Dalgona, you'll need half a tablespoon of matcha powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, half cup whipping cream. Start whipping the cream on high speed until it slightly thickens. Then add in the matcha and sugar and whip until thick in desired consistency. In a glass, place a couple of ice cubes and pour in cold milk. Place the thick mixture on top of the milk with a spoon or ice cream scoop. Stir as desired. For the warm Dalgona coffee with extra cream, you'll need 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, half a cup whipping cream, 2 tablespoons of hot water. Start whipping the instant coffee, sugar and hot water on high speed until it slightly thickens. Whip the cream on high speed until thick in desired consistency. In a bowl, fold the thickened cream into the whipped coffee mixture. Pour some warm milk into a glass. Place the thick mixture on top of the milk with a spoon or ice cream scoop. Enjoy!